Kinoilam call India Trinamool Congress pakunthup ya kamahua moitra ka MP Shakaluk Sabha uba Charles Pingroop President ka AITC Meghalaya Manas Arbunia kila penram ya kajingkno Menteri Kampo iyeng ka Sarkar India Amit Shah ubalaong baka Meghalaya ka wan beningkong ha ka kambam sap. Kini kinoilam habakran cikilat patai kubur kila bu jingkeli kumno Amit Shah ukran persya ya ka Sarkar jela bamenta ha ka baka BJP ru ka don bat ya trailang baro sansnem.
Now, a statement coming from such a great and national leader who is part of the coalition, it's only an indication that the governance which has been given to the people of Meghalaya for the last 5 years has been very dismal, to say the least. We are here now for the change, and we hope that the people of Meghalaya this time they give us their full support so that we can work for the betterment of the people.
As Charles spoke before me, he said that there have been a few comments in the election time. There's always a heated atmosphere, but I think two sets of comments from two national parties stand out especially. One from the Honorable Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah, who ironically said that Meghalaya is one of the most corrupt states. Now, he is, apart from being the Honorable Home Minister, is a senior leader of the BJP. And the BJP, if I'm not mistaken, was in power in coalition in Meghalaya till about 40 days ago, along with the NPP.
Still in power.
And so what I want to ask is this: if you've been having power in this state for the last 5 years, and you're obviously looking in the mirror when you say that the corruption is at a peak in Meghalaya, and that's exactly why people are clamoring for change, and that is why Trinamool is here.
BJP promises to empower the women of Meghalaya by giving an annual allowance of Rs 24,000 to widows and single mothers and a bond of Rs 50,000 on the birth of a girl child. This 27th February, vote for a stronger BJP for a stronger Meghalaya.
Kajing say so ha ka rap karyang kajing men ya kinongra. Anda la pentre kam ka TMC ha ka ba shipawa jar tingka shisnem anya rap pisa ya baro kinong rab ha ka jilla lingba ka jingpen mi ya ka scheme batmai farmers assistant for rural Meghalaya
ha ka ne ka apnyo trek urumphang jan ya ka sap jong phi ha ki artli ki sentio bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.
Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, a drug-free Meghalaya, strict action against drug peddling, an opening of 50 new de-addiction centers statewide.
Five commitments na